She has a lot of compression in her neck and her low back. Very limited range of motion. Feels like her body needs decompressed, and that's what we're gonna do today. Just relax for me.
Oh! Oh my God. That felt great.
Put a lot of decompression in her.
Yeah, I felt that like in my tailbone.
How's your neck feel?
Great.
Yeah? A little bit of decompression there too?
Oh yeah. Even my mid-back, I felt
open
it.
up good. Yeah, just a nice light one there. Things just so compression. There's a lot of swelling into the capsules too, so that's going to restrict a lot of range of motion. How do you feel?
Better.
Yeah?
Definitely. I feel like everybody says taller and like breathing a little better.
Yeah. You did
It
good.
was worth the drive.